RMUTP Roundup.
สวัสดีครับ Good afternoon and welcome to RMUTP Roundup on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. My name is อาจารย์เกษม พุทธเรืองศรี your host for the program. RMUTP Roundup is a program broadcasted every Monday from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Latest news, events, and everything round up from Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn will be presented in this program, and today we start with the news from Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn. The first one, encouragement for personal competing in the Tumpang Games. On April 29, 2025, Dr. Natwarapol Ratsiri Wacharabun, President of Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn, gave encouragement to personnel participating in the 41st National University Personal Sports Competition or Tumpang Games and gave advice that everyone should be determined, do their best, compete with spirit, have sportsmanship, know how to lose, know how to win, and know how to forgive, respect the rules of the competition, and have a good friendship with fellow athletes from every university participating in the competition. Sending personnel to participate in this competition will not only create a reputation for the organization, but also enhance the health and well-being of the personnel. Next, study visit on marine engineering and innovation. Previously, on March 31st, 2025, Assistant Professor Dr. Prin Bunkanit, Vice President of Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn, along with Colonel Bun Ua Bunrit, Advisor on Public Administration and Organization, and University executives traveled to study at the Marine Commerce Training Center in Mueang Samut Prakan District, Samut Prakan Province. Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn is interested in developing knowledge in ship system design and ship maintenance to apply in research, develop short courses on smart boats, and enhance the skills of lecturers and related personnel, including being able to transfer such knowledge to students and entrepreneurs in related industry effectively. Later, on April 30, 2025, a study visit on ship standards was held at the Ship Standards Office, Marine Department, Bangkok. With the university executives visiting the study, the university was honored to have Mr. Vibun Thirapap Sakul Wong, Director of the Ship Standards Office, along with staff who welcomed the university and presented information on marine engineering and innovation, ship inspection, and ship equipment standards, which can be used to plan and develop knowledge in ship prototype design to meet the specified ship standards, to drive the planning approach for manpower production and smart boat production that the university is interested in. Next, architecture students create design works. Rajamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn, by students of the Faculty of Architecture and Design, organized the Arc and Design or exhibition of art thesis and dissertation works for the academic year 2024, held from April 24 to 25, 2025 at Gateway at Bang Sue Shopping Mall. The event was honored by Assistant Professor Dr. Ginkan Pichakkana, Assistant to the President, who presided over the opening ceremony and said about the event that this exhibition demonstrated the abilities and professional skills of students in 3 programs: industrial product design, packaging and printing design, and architecture, through more than 40 exhibit works All works use their knowledge both in and out of the classroom to create new works. It also shows that students are ready to enter the labor market with quality. Ms. Chachada Sin Bua Pong, president of the student organization of the exhibition, said that the exhibition of art thesis and dissertation works this year. The event is organized under the concept of pop art, an art that originated in the 20th century, which is characterized by using images of objects from popular culture as inspiration within the event. The distinctive characteristic of the art are the use of bright, flashy colors, simple forms, and fun, which are consistent with the work of students from the Faculty of Architecture and Design. The fourth and the fifth year students who brought them to exhibit this time. Meanwhile, Mr. Kritin Jangsanit, the owner of the project to study and develop a dry food waste disposal bin, said that household food waste is a problem that affects the environment and hygiene. Therefore, he had the idea to design and develop a dry food waste disposal machine that can be used inside the home. This work focuses on designing a product that can be inserted into the food waste disposal machine and can be moved for more convenient use. The cabinet design can be divided into two parts. The upper part consists of a sink, and the back of the cabinet can be opened to see the operation of the machine. The lower part is a compartment for food waste. When there is a large amount of food waste that is disposed of, users can easily take it out of the cabinet and use it immediately. This work was inspired by current environmental problems and combined it with knowledge from the classroom that aims to create work that people in general can actually use. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร creates opportunities to make startups' dream come true and teams up with experts to develop innovations and research. Dr. นัทวรพล รัตน์สิริวัชรบุญ President of Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร said that Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร is an educational institution that aims to create opportunities for everyone to access knowledge sources, to create opportunities for self-development, to support the modern world, especially as a startup. Therefore, the Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร University Business Incubator Center, or RMUTP UBI, which is currently under the supervision of the Research and Development Institute, aims to promote students who want to be entrepreneurs under the slogan, "The path to dreams to business ownership starts here." UBI is ready to make dreams come true for everyone, which uses knowledge from research, academic services, innovations and technologies of Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร to make dreams come true for new entrepreneurs by adhering to the 5-area operation plan consisting of entrepreneurial skills. The university invites expert and professional experience to provide training on business model, finance, fundraising, and entrepreneurship laws, using technology, marketing, and English knowledge. Dr. นัทวรพล รัตน์สิริวัชรบุญ continued that in terms of knowledge, students will receive direct knowledge from expert lecturers in each field, such as the Faculty of Business Administration, Faculty of Home Economics, Technology, Faculty of Textile Industry and Fashion Design, Faculty of Science and Technology, who will act as consultants with a student team. using the university's laboratories to experiment with product development, marketing plans, costs, and profit calculations to develop the business. As for product and packaging design and communication, the student team will receive advice from lecturers with specialized knowledge from the Faculty of Architecture and Design and the Faculty of Mass Communication Technology. Later, the creation of startup communities in architecture, business, tourism, digital media, food, fashion and textiles, art creation, and networking are important in creating entrepreneurs. A network of 9 Rajamongkol universities, the Food and Drug Administration, the Department of Intellectual Property, Original Equipment Manufacturer (OEM), or contract manufacturers for companies to sell under their own brands, has been established. Finally, the goal is to push students to become startups and move towards becoming spin-offs. For a new student who want to have their own businesses but do not yet know what products they want to make, you can come and view the research works that have been registered as intellectual property of the university to further develop your business. Associate Professor Dr. Chantana Papattha, Deputy Director of the Research and Development Institute, added that, most recently, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn has brought students to present business plan for the University Business Incubation or UBI Entrepreneur Screening Project in Higher Education Institutions or USI network of Lower Central Higher Education for the fiscal year 25 to 26. The Young Mo team students from the Faculty of Science and Technology presented their art toy product through the selection process to the startup level, in which students will receive 200,000 baht in funding to further develop their business. In addition, six other student teams have been upgraded to pre-incubations. Team Green and Grain, a healthy bread product made from asparagus. Team Your Girl, a perfume product under the brand Grin Chan. Team Bubble Bites, a shampoo tablet product. Team Fashion Rental and Upcycling, a dress rental shop /Vika. Team Natural Care, a hand sanitizer gel product made from pomelo peel and coconut water from the Faculty of Business Administration. And Team Soul Sight, a bag product from the Faculty of Architecture and Design. These students will be role models for startups since they are students, and when they graduate, they will have their own businesses immediately. For those who have dreams and want to try to open an opportunity to open up opportunities for themselves to be entrepreneurs in the academic year 2025, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn is opening applications for undergrads. For undergraduate students, applicants will with a vocational certificate or PVC and higher vocational certificate or PVC can apply in the direct admission round 2, open for applications from now until May 12, 2025. For Mathayom 6 students, apply through the TCAS system for round 3 admission and round 4 direct independent admission from now until June the 2nd, 2025. The university is accepting students from 9 faculty: Faculty of Industrial Education, Faculty of Home Economic Technology, Faculty of Mass Communication Technology, Faculty of Business Administration, Faculty of Science and Technology, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Liberal Arts, Faculty of Textile, Industrial and Fashion Design, and Faculty of Architecture and Design. Interested person can apply online 24 hours a day at www.rmutp.ac.th or inquire at the Academic Promotion and Registration Office. Call 02665 3777 extension number 6636 6307. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon reported the results of the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation or OPS MHESI Committee on the Implementation of the Higher Education Institution Excellence and Advanced Workforce Development Project Reinventing University for the fiscal year 2024. On April 28, 2025, Dr. Nat Warapon Ratsari Vacharabun, President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon, shared the report on the performing of Higher Education Institution Excellence and Advanced Workforce Development Project Reinventing University for the fiscal year 2024 and presented the progress of the Business Acceleration Platform project at the Rapipat Meeting Room, Office of the President, Tewet Center. Dr. Nat Warapon Ratsiri Vacharabun said that the Higher Education Institution Excellence and Advanced Workforce Development Project is very important in enhancing the capabilities of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon in producing intellectual property, manpower, and commercialization, developing knowledge and innovation, and creating awareness and appreciation of intellectual property. The Business Acceleration Platform project helps create an ecosystem conducive to the utilization of intellectual property, including the development of new entrepreneurs using technology and innovation as a basis of business development, which will be an important force for driving the country's economy in the future, which has received budget support from the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation or OPS MHESI. This 10-month performance report is an important opportunity for Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon to hear opinions and experiences from experts, including Professor Dr. Sansani Chayarod, Board of the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation, or OPS MHESI, along with the OPS MHESI Board and Assistant Professor Dr. Akkarawit Kanchana Opat, along with the PAB Board, to provide suggestions and guidelines reflecting the university potential, providing knowledge and understanding of various management processes that will lead to the development, improvement, and elevation of operational projects to be more efficient and in line with the country's goals. In the meeting, Dr. Chalakon Udom Raksa Sakun, Director of the Research and Development Institute, presented the report on the performance of the Higher Education Institution Excellence and Advanced Manpower Development Project Reinventing for the 10-month period, and Assistant Professor Dr. Prin Bunkanit, Vice President, presented the policy driving and the progress of the Business Acceleration Platform project to the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation or OPS MHESI Committee and the BAP Progress Monitoring Committee. In addition, there was an exhibition of intellectual property works from the Business Incubator, Technology Clinic Center, Research and Development Institute, Faculty of Science, Technology, Faculty of Architecture and Design, Faculty of Textile, Industrial and Fashion Design, Faculty of Business Administration, and the committee was taken to visit the works of the Faculty of Home Economics Technology at the Ruan Panya Building, Chotives Center. And the time is up for today's RMUTP Roundup. Please join us every Monday here on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. Your host has been อาจารย์เกษมพุทธเรืองศรี You are welcome to subscribe to our channel on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. Thank you very much for joining our program today and see you again next Monday. สวัสดีครับ
RMUTP Roundup